Welcome back to my Caliente Kitchen, my friends. Well, today we're making a high protein, perfect for meal prep breakfast, overnight oats with cottage cheese. If you're like me, I like simple, easy to make recipes and most important, delicious. This recipe also is perfect for meal prep. It can serve as a quick breakfast, convenient snack, or can help you feel accomplished, motivated to continue reach your health goals. I have partnered with National Dairy Council to share with you this recipe that not only is delicious, but is also packed with high quality dairy protein. Join these overnight oats with cottage cheese can help you feel full, energized, and ready to tackle on your day. And let me tell you, when I tested this recipe with my clients, they simply loved it. Dairy foods like milk and cottage cheese are nutritional powerhouses, offering all 9 essential amino acids to support muscle maintenance and performance. A high-protein breakfast like the overnight oats with cottage cheese can help you fight cravings and be focused throughout the day. Now let me show you how easy it is to make this recipe. Now, let's get cooking. Here's my trick to making these oats extra creamy. Blend your milk and cottage cheese together until smooth. This gives your oats an unbelievable silky texture. Plus, it adds a mild natural sweetness that pairs perfectly with fruits and spices. Now, in a large bowl, combine the blended mixture with raw oats, chia seeds, walnuts, berries, cinnamon, and a scoop of vanilla whey protein powder for an extra protein boost. These ingredients work together to help keep you full longer, stabilize blood sugar, and provide a balance of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Exactly what your body needs in the morning. Next, divide the mixture into jars. Let them sit in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight, so the oats can soak up all the creamy goodness. And boom! A protein-packed, satisfying breakfast that fuels your body and keeps you going strong. High-quality protein from dairy helps maintain muscle mass, supports recovery after workouts, and helps keep hunger in check. Plus, the combination of fiber and protein and healthy fats means you likely won't be reaching for a snack in an hour. Pro tip, many of us don't like cold breakfast. The solution? Warm it up. Who says overnight oats can only be eaten cold? Visit usdairy.com to learn more about the benefits of protein found in dairy foods like yogurt, milk, and cheese. If you make these overnight oats, I would love to read your comments. Or even better, let me know how you make your overnight oats. If you like what you've seen, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe so you don't miss my next recipes and nutrition topics. Thank you for watching, and remember, stop dieting, start living.